Yo, what's up you guys? It's currently 9:13 in the morning on March 25th for me, and it's lockdown time. Why I'm up right now, I don't know, but I just got a package in the mail. I just want to show it to you guys because it's gonna be awesome. Here's the first two. I got two things, but yeah, basically it's just one. Ooh, okay. Alright, first things first. Variable ND lens filter. It's a 52mm, so it basically just goes over the camera. It's like a sunglasses. So if you look at it, see that? It's pretty sick, huh? Alright, second thing, it's in this box. Wow. An SD card. That was sticky. I gotta go wash my hands real quick. Hold on. And without further ado, bam. I got the Sigma 30mm f1.4. This is gonna be sick. I bought this used. I was really hoping to be able to get it in 2 days, but this whole coronavirus thing going on, nothing's coming in 2 days unless it's like medical supplies. Here's my lens. This thing is freaking awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and put this lens on. Hopefully it works. Alright, so the shot might be a little overexposed, obviously, because of the higher aperture. I'm at 2.2, f2.2. That's my f-stop right now. That's crazy. It looks super good. The lens looks really good. It's a little bit more zoomed in because, like I said, it's a 30mm. This is the Sony kit lens. So it was pretty good. I'm still going to be using it a lot, but this one's better for photography because it gets that creamy background, that nice bokeh, and yeah, this one's definitely going to be a little bit more versatile for the vlogging though. That one's going to be more for camera and like cinematics and stuff. That's definitely stepping it up though, for sure, because it makes it a lot sharper. On to the reason why I actually made this video. Let's get started with it. I don't have a desk to do this on, so I'm just on my bed. It kind of just looks like I'm straight up in a Brazzers shoot, but it's okay. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be looking at some cars on Instagram, some pretty cool cars, since, well, we can't go outside. Coronavirus is out there. So if you guys like the content, go ahead and get a like down in the comments, and go ahead and subscribe, and then if the feedback is good, then you know, we can keep on doing this and maybe get this set up a little bit better and actually get a desk for this. But let's go ahead and get into it. Very first one right here. It seems to be a barnyard find for the R8. Let's see. Oh wow. Okay. Wow. All this was a thanks. Just gotta get your shameless plug out there, I guess. But okay. Come on. I mean, it's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. But I mean, not too bad shape. Looks good otherwise. But let's go ahead and move on to the next. There's nothing really special about this. It looks pretty stock, just abandoned. Oh damn, this one's super sick. Look at that. Damn, 2 FRSs. That looks good. Oh, that's what it looked like before. It looked like shit before. That looks good. Who made this? Oh, damn. It was me. Go ahead and give me a follow, boys. Hey, Everybody gets to get their shameless plug in there once, right? Go ahead and give me a follow on that Instagram. Right here. Alright, so you got this one right here. It shows, this is basically just like a bunch of designers basically designing cars and like making their concepts and everything, which is pretty freaking awesome. This one looks like it's probably that Porsche Taycan or Taycan, something like that. And nice little rolls. Wow, I don't even know what the hell this is. It almost looks Koenigsegg, but I don't know. Concept cars. It's crazy how they make it look like real, you know? If you look at one side and the other side, it just looks completely real. Okay. I feel like, oh my gosh, American cars look so easy to make. Like, you know, like obviously it's not easy, but they look so easy to make compared to everything else. You know, you got basically like, you know, a block of cheese right here. You know, you melt that block of cheese a little bit and make a little bit of curves. This one just freaking completely makes that look so much harder than the American cars that I just saw. Honestly, what do you guys think? If it were up to me, when it came to this, I would choose the F50. But damn, that LaFerraris are sick. Like, they're super awesome. And then I'd go with the newer Bugatti. I'm not a big fan of that look. Porsches, I would definitely go with the newer one. And Lamborghini, I'd go Countach all the way. Countach there's something about them that just are sick. They're I don't know what it is. All right, and then the other one's just like right next to it, which is pretty cool. This hurts my brain. I'm surprised that even really fit on there, to be honest. Yeah, I guess it's not the first time that they would they'd be collabing, because you got the FRSs too. All right, I've seen this meme going around a lot. You got the R32, R33, R34, and then the R35. I mean, I know each generation they technically made it better objectively, but you can't get the R35 in manual. And don't get me wrong, R35 is an amazing performer. It's crazy. It basically kills on supercars that are twice, 3 times the price. You can pick a used one up for like 50, 60 grand at this point, which is a kind of a steal, to be honest. You probably won't even be able to pick up an R34 for that price. My favorite's the R32, R34. R33 is kind of just like that middle child that never gets the love it deserves, even though it's an improvement on the R32. I mean, I would want to own any of these, more so the ones that were manual, not necessarily the R35, but I'd still be happy owning that. Come on. Damn. Okay. Do we have any more pictures in this? I wonder if this is a wrap or if it's definitely a cool looking purple. You got the purple lugs right there. Oh, sheesh. Okay. Okay, you got purple lugs. Not really sure what those wheels are, but they look pretty cool. STI wings are like some of my favorite wings because they just look so good. You know, they're big, but like they look so good. Stamp of approval for me. Okay, so let's look at this here. So we have an A90 Supra. She got herself a little bit of damage. Let's assess the damage here. First off, the hood's all messed up. It messed up the whole alignment. Bumper's messed up. Headlights gotta go. Not even knowing what's going on in here, but pretty much this whole front end kind of needs to be replaced in a way. The real thing here that gets me is if you look over here, you still got the window sticker on the car. This car is not even sold yet. I don't know if someone took this on a test drive and they didn't know. It's an automatic. I don't know how you don't know how to drive it, but like they sent it, they took it out. But I mean, I don't really know what happens to a car if they crash it and it's brand new. Like, what do you do with the car at that point? You know, I don't know, because it's gonna have an accident on it. Whoa, this is sick. So it looks like they wrapped it in like a weird like patina type rust. Looks like it was obviously by the ocean the whole time, and it rusted up because the moisture and the salt, all that good stuff, and it rusted it out. That looks super cool. Oh my god. Again with this one. But otherwise, this picture looks pretty sick. You got the little gate in the background. I do like the wrap. It's a cool concept, cool idea. It blends in really well. That's pretty sick. Choose your car from a 1 mile drag race. Options are Porsche 918, Dodge Demon, Huracan Performante, Bugatti Chiron. Okay, so first off, I probably won't choose the Demon because it's limited. I believe it's like top speed is like 150 something, because it's like limited to that speed because of the tires and the fact that it's basically just like, it's like a 1/4 mile car. So like you're not getting anywhere after that 1/4 mile. It might be one of the first ones to get there, but you're not going anywhere after that because it's a full mile. These cars are going to catch right back up because, I mean, this is a 9-second car, and I mean, this is probably like, pretty sure this is a 9-10 second car too, like all of these. So I mean, they're not going to be very much behind this, and it's not going to take very much longer to get past 150, 160, whatever it is that this top speed is. I would probably go with either the 918 or the Chiron. Honestly, I'd probably just go with the 918. I don't know if it would win it compared to the Chiron because, I mean, technically it's faster, but I think I'd just rather hop in the Porsche 918. This is a wide-bodied Stingray. That's sick. This looks pretty, but this looks sick. I'm definitely choosing the Stingray. Then it would go here and here. To me, this honestly looks the most modern because of that whole, and the fitment looks pretty good too. Track Armored Z render. Oh, it's a render, but that looks awesome. It's like a whole little wide body kit. It honestly does look like it's supposed to be in like that movie Death Race. I don't know if you guys have ever seen it. Big Wang Gang, of course. The little netting on both sides. You got the windshield, basically looks like it's armored. The over fenders look pretty much like a knight's armor. I do like the lights here too. The lights look pretty cool. Honestly, this looks pretty sweet. It looks pretty good. It caught my eye. So it's definitely different. What's your taste, Elon Musk or Ram? Oh my god. Okay, well, I'll go ahead and let you guys choose this one, but oh my god. I really hope cars don't look like that in the future, but you know, whatever. I would choose the Ram. Definitely, if you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Maybe we can do some more of these in the future for sure, if you guys want me to. Go ahead and get out of here. Peace out, boys. See you in the next one.